First, welcome. I'm really happy that I'll have the privilege of sharing this material with you. UX is extremely fun and gratifying to practice, and I designed this course not only to give you a solid foundation in UX, but also to give you quick access to any tools you might want to immediately use in case that's what you need. Prior to Udemy, I've taught the same material at several universities, and I continue to communicate with many of my past students. I frequently hear how the things that they've learned in this class help them to begin careers in UX and elevate the careers they already had. I hope you'll be one of those people in the future. That said, a big focus of this class will be on teaching you about how UX functions in a real-world environment like a digital agency, but also calling out how that may differ in other contexts. And depending on your goals, there are really two ways you might use this course. If you want a solid and powerful understanding of the field and how it works, I recommend going through from beginning to end. If you do, you'll find that the structure of this course mirrors the structure of a typical project. You can also follow along and do the activities as you work towards creating your own projects, which will deepen your understanding of what we cover and have the potential to be great portfolio pieces for you. If you're already in the process of working on something, or you need specific skills immediately, you can also go through the course in an a la carte fashion. But when you have a breather, I would suggest going back through in order to see if you can pick up additional skills and tools and broaden your overall understanding of the material. Because in the long run, it's valuable to grasp the big picture, especially if you want to be employable. And my goal for you is to come out of this course not only employable, but also armed with the right tools and approach to tackle any UX challenge you may face. Also, I just wanted to let you know that since it's important to get the big picture and why we do what we do, the first section of the course is more about understanding context and less about doing things. But don't worry, as we progress, we'll get very hands-on in the following lectures. All right, let's get going.